Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't seen my face before, my name is Jam and welcome. I hope you subscribe and join all the fun. So I was browsing YouTube last night and I saw absolutely not workout of Bretman Rock.
Called Absolutely Not. And when I show you the workout, that's exactly what you're gonna motherfucking say.
Well, some people have done it, so I was like, this is interesting, let's do it. He has this 20, 40, 60 thing going on.
So the main thing to realize in here is that the set is 246, 246, 246.
I thought it was interesting, so I got curious and I wanted to do it myself. So here we are. Besides, I've trained my abs a lot lately, so I think it's perfect. This is really fun to do because I really like challenges and it allows me to learn different exercises at the same time, so win-win. I'm not gonna lie though, it was challenging even though it doesn't really look like it. Well, these are the exercises if you want to try it, and you're gonna see what I'm talking about here, so let's just get into the video.
Together we fall like dominoes. Wouldn't let you go if you left me. Wouldn't let you go if we're standing miles apart. I'd be a domino, I will let you know through vibrations of me. Wouldn't let you go if you left me. Wouldn't let you go if we're standing miles apart. I'd be a domino. You would feel my flow on the ground beneath you. I get weak with you, my kryptonite. I'm yours until the morning light. Follow through, I'll stay tonight. Together we fall like dominoes. Together we fall like dominoes.
That was kind of funny to watch. Because I thought it was going to be easy, but it wasn't. Anyway, this was purely for fun and entertainment, and fitness should be fun, right? So I hope you guys enjoyed this little video, and if you did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Wouldn't let you go if you left me. Wouldn't let you go if we're standing miles apart. I'd be a domino, I will let you know through vibrations.